My dear student, good morning. I hope you are fine by the kinds of God. In the previous class, I have discussed about the rules of tag questions. Now, I shall take an online class of some example of tag questions. Look at the board. Everybody believes a seat. Here nobody believes a seat. Here nobody pronoun they. Nobody 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 pronoun they. Nobody pronoun they. You will find out operator, but there is no operator. So you find out operator from verb. If verb past tense, operator will past tense. Here believes present form. So believes operator do or does. You will choose do or does according to subject. Here if the sentence is negative, tag question will affirmative. Here nobody pronoun they, and here operator do. As the sentence is negative, so tag question will affirmative. Operator do. Nobody pronoun they. Do they. Question mark. Everybody hates him. Everybody pronoun they. Everybody 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 pronoun they. But there is no operator. So you find out operator from verbs. Here verbs hates. Hates as hates present tense. So operator will present form. Hates doer does. Operator will doer does, and you will choose operator according to subject. Operator do. As the sentence is affirmative, tag question will negative. Do not. Negative form don't. DUN apostrophe S T don't. Don't. Everybody pronoun they. Another example. He has to drag a miserable life. Here operator has. Pronoun he. As the sentence is affirmative, tag question will negative. Has not. Has not. Hasn't. HASN apostrophe S T. Hasn't. Hasn't. HASN apostrophe S T. Hasn't. He pronoun he. Hasn't he. He is pronoun. He can hardly succeed in life. Here can is operator. Hardly negative word. As hardly negative word, as the sentence is negative, so tag question will affirmative. Can operator can subject he. He pronoun he. He is pronoun. Let us always speak the truth. If let us, let us, or let's, let let's, you will write shall we. Let us or let's, you will write shall we. Question mark. Time and tide wait for none. Here time and tide, two things, wait for none, but there is no operator. You will find operator from verb. Wait is present form, so you will write doer does. Doer does. And here time and tide, two things, and its pronoun they. Do they. Unfortunately, many of us waste our time. Many of us, pronoun we. There is no operator. You find out operator from verb. As the verb is present tense, operator will present tense. Do or does, and the sentence is affirmative. Take question with negative. Don't we. Question mark. None can prosper in life without utilizing time properly. Here operator can. None pronoun they. As the sentence is negative, take question will affirmative. Can operator can. None pronoun they. Can they. So everybody should realize this truth. Everybody, pronoun they, should operator. As the sentence is affirmative, take question will negative. Should not, negative, shouldn't. SHOULD and apostrophe shouldn't. Everybody pronoun they. Shouldn't they. Question mark. Let's make the best use of time. Let us. You will write shall we. Shall we. Question mark. Dear students, I hope you will practice it regularly. If you practice, you will learn. No more today. Thank you. Thank you everybody.